Hi everyone, welcome to Makeway's office. Eliasaf here and Reuven is next to me. Hi Reuven. Yeah. We've been waiting for 3 weeks for this box to come. It was delayed in Hong Kong for some battery issues. We had batteries in some of the components, so it was delayed. And then it came to Israel and it was delayed in the customs in Israel. Finally we got it. That's why we're delayed with updates. So we're going to unbox and see what we got, and hopefully you'll be satisfied with the results. Okay, so 200 funnels.
200 funnels, check.
200 flips.
Check.
Okay. Funnels. This is
more funnels.
Yeah, more funnels. More flips. Okay. More funnels. More funnels.
Okay.
One pack of edge. Great.
Check.
Holes with marbles inside.
That's why it's 60 kilograms.
Yeah, that's why it weighs so much. 16 kilograms. Okay. This is a pole. לא הראינו מקרוב. בלי HC. 200 switches.
Assemble?
Assembled. Yeah,
Okay.
assembled.
Great.
2 pieces assembled together. Okay. More switches. Canon. Assembled and connected with marbles and magnets inside. Everything that is needed. Okay.
Here. Okay, check.
Okay. 40 forks after repairing the mold. Should fix some issues that we had with the mold. Around 40 or 50 forks. Connectors. Connectors.
They are not in the list.
This is also to confirm all the connectors.
To make some changes.
Yeah, so hopefully we can confirm them and start producing them. Pre-PP stage, final fixing of the mold for the connectors, suction cup connectors.
Over here, busy. It's a flippy one.
לראות את הבעיות שאפילו לא חשבנו עליהן.